Egypt has a long food culture. Before lyophilization equipment entered its market, locals ate fresh ingredients, valuing naturalness. Now, with faster life and higher preservation needs, lyophilization equipment is popular. Freeze-dried foods, fruits, vegetables, traditional dishes, are loved for taste and nutrition, boosting demand. Yet Egypt's freeze-dried industry is early stage, with no large-scale domestic production. Market lyophilization equipment mainly relies on imports. Imported freeze-dried foods are pricey due to transport, tariffs, limiting popularity. Egypt's government now plans to buy freeze-dried food as strategic reserves. To meet demand, cut import dependence and costs, it supports domestic purchase of chemilo-lyophilization equipment, which will develop local industry, offer affordable quality products, and drive self-sufficiency.